What's up, people? What's happening? Shoo. I am now in Highway 61, exit from Highway 4, and I have about 20 minutes until customers, so I will take you with me a little bit to see this beautiful day in Germany. 12:33, 16 degrees outside. Molto bene. Perfect condition for work. As you can see in last videos, I was by GoPro Max, but I'm not use it today. It was first day I was shoot one video, so I will see later. I will see how can I edit that and how it will be look and everything, my friends. Situation is good, actually very good now. I have this customer, then I go to home. To finish everything I need 2 hours more, so that is pretty nice. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. So situation is very nice. And Friday I don't work. Saturday, Sunday, and Monday some holiday here in Germany. I don't know. For me only important, they says we have a Feiertag, we have holidays, that's all. I don't ask which holiday, I celebrate everything. So I hope you are okay, I hope everything is good.
After 900 meters, take the exit 21 in the direction of Bergen.
And just a second, Kerpen Zud. Where should I go now? Very nice. Okay, let's drive here. I don't know, did you notice? Maybe. I think I was think today about that. Last, I don't know how much videos, 1 month maybe or 3 weeks. I shoot POV with GoPro 9 only, but I think it's the color is better, or than GoPro 7, or maybe I'm wrong. Maybe is that because of green grass now and leaves and everything.
After 1 kilometer at the traffic circle, take the second exit.
But maybe you are notice, so write me in a comment. I have to compare a couple of videos to see is that am I right or is just my imagination. Opa, I thought the truck was burned. No, it's just like he had colors, strange colors on himself.
After 300 meters at the traffic circle, take the second exit.
Look at this yellow, how it's perfect with green grass and everything, and blue sky. And look at the Mercedes.
Take the second exit.
Mongen Transport, Monnier. Deutschland, Quickie. What's up, Quickie? Haha, Quickie. Very nice nickname. Maybe he's fast.
Please follow the route for 6 kilometers.
Okay. Right, left, up. Look at the Look at the Scania sound. But this is no Scania. With these curtains because my left hand is burning from sun. So it'll be like this. Somewhere fisherman and friends. Better without wind, huh?
After 1 kilometer at the traffic circle, take the 3rd exit.
take the third. Tulpih, Narvenik.
Take the third exit.
Sorry guys, but it's too hot and I cannot turn the klima AC yet. Wow, look at the yellow view. Whoop, Mazda.
Please follow the route for 4 kilometers.
There is really good wind today.
After 900 meters, cut the traffic signal. Take the second exit. Take the second exit. Take the second exit.
Good.
Please follow the route for 4 kilometers.
didn't see anything on the street. Thinking about tires. One time in this company I was just started to drive, and I was get one tour from company to Berlin, but it was a couple of customers more. It was 4-day tour. That is the first and last time I was get 4-day. Maximum is 3-day, but most of the time is 2 days. And me, I was drive really hard and try to finish that in 3 days, for 3 days, you know, because when I finish that I go home, that's all. And I was able to finish, but it was I was finished 3 days, and Thursday to Friday I was start in 2 o'clock in the morning, so I was give gas. I was have 5 hours to home. It was perfect, you know. I will arrive home at 7 o'clock and perfect. In the middle of the night, 3 o'clock, I was lose my 2 tires. It was blow up. In the middle of the night, 3 o'clock. What can I do? I was called the service. Service was came in 7 in the morning or half 8, something like that. I was need to call Netherlands. DAF service in Netherlands 24 hours, then they called the DAF service in Frankfurt, then they send me, then they send, but everything was pretty good actually. But I just want to tell you, when somebody told me, somebody write me in a comment, why don't you overtake? Because of that things. Sometimes it's okay, but I was hurry, then I was arrive, I think, I don't know, 12 o'clock maybe or something like that, but it was pretty late than I was expect. Look at the graffiti. But that's the one thing, you know, my dispatcher, when he gave me the tool, he knew I will finish that early, so he told me he all the time told me, please don't hurry, just drive, normally drive, make a pause or something like that. But I don't know. Like this guy, quickie maybe. Okay, let's make this right. I will stop in front of that sign over there, and I have to unload one box here. Let's see, something like this. Good, perfect, pretty good. Okay, man, you can drive through. See you guys later when I finish this. I was finished, but I was have to move a little bit forward to eat something, and now I'm driving to highway. Let's just see where it is. Okay, 2 villages further. about 20 empty boxes. That is less than 1 ton, so nothing complicated. I can say I'm empty totally. For this week is finished. It will be about 2,800 kilometers and good. Now easy drive to home. I should arrive about 3 o'clock. Now is 1:30, 1.5 hour. Really beautiful, so beautiful. Look at this wind turbine. They are so magnificent. Attila 76. Just colleague one passed by me. Ooh, look at the yellow color. Are you still there, guys? And girls and boys? Look at the little one. Ding ding ding. Way to go, man. got registration plates, everything.
Meters, take the third left.
He's driving 20.
Direction of
Taka 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 time time time. And give a gas. Curl left.
turn left.
I need highway 61 in way to Koblenz. Will he go? No.
After 1 kilometer, turn right. In the direction of East Urchin. After 400 meters, turn right. In the direction of
Sorry,
East
lady,
Urchin.
but I wanna go straight forward. Green, 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 green. Green, 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 green. Don't stop. Green, green, green. Ah! When I stop, it will be green. Look at this now. Look at this. Ah! What did I tell you? What did I tell you?
After 700 meters, turn left.
Oh, this lady is so annoying. Look at this. Highway is in front of me. And she told me to go left, left, left.
After 300 meters, turn left. In the direction of Eberg.
Sajik, if somebody looking, please fix this. It's not normal. Before was everything was okay, but now
Turn left.
what's this? I don't wanna turn left. Turn you left. Maybe the highway is closed here, I don't know, we will see. Look at the tractor. It looked like a toy, huh? So funny song. still told me to go back. I just wonder what she will now tell me. 7 meters in front of highway. Bravo. Look at the bird. She's so happy. Look at the sound. That's the sound. That's the spirit, my friend. I don't know what's happened with this. Look at now. She now driving through the some another village and highway is front of me. Maybe I was put I don't want to drive highway, something like that. Look at that. Green, 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 green. Please, please, please. Bitte. Schön.
Circle, take the second exit.
Look at this. Exit for highway is over there, and she drive me some villages and some another exit. I think I will have to throw her through the window. There is no another option for this. Monjan transport. Monjan, Monjan, Monjan. I think she will fly like a bird soon.
After 700 meters, turn left.
And of course, BMW.
Circle, take the first exit.
Look at this. Now here left. She doesn't want me allowed to drive here on highway.
After 300 meters, turn left. In the direction of Gimbal. At the traffic circle, take the first exit. Sharp turn right. Turn left. Then at the
There is an
traffic
exit
circle,
for highway.
take the first exit.
Look at this. Left, 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 left through one village, second, third, then to highway. From downtown, 3 points. Huh. Look at this. 4 lights for bicycles. Why is that? Over there is also. Okay. Let's see what will happen. Maybe one yellow and then one green and 2 red. But why 2 red? I didn't notice this before. Oh, with the green lights. Look at this Tesla with trailer. Man, are you normal? Are you normal? Why? Why do you do that? When you see the car have hook, don't buy that car. Even if Tesla is. Man, I think Elon Musk didn't. Okay, you are going later on Instagram. The same license plate, trailer and car. Here I think you must have maybe it's small trailer or something like that. I don't know, I don't wanna speak what I don't know. Finally she agreed me to go left. Whoopa! Holidays was start. Camper is on the way to 80 kilometers. This highway goes directly to my home. I need to just go left on one highway and that's all. My friends, that'll be all from Truck Driver Germany. Stay safe, be positive, and give some gas sometimes. See you guys later in some another adventure. Bye.